Welcome to this video. Today, we'll walk you through an advanced laser soldering process, the use of annular laser spots in through-hole pin soldering compared to conventional circular laser spots. This technology offers significant advantages in soldering quality and material adaptability. As we observe the live soldering footage, you'll notice that traditional circular laser spots concentrate energy at the center. This often leads to burning at the bottom of the through hole, especially with high laser power or inconsistent solder feeding. The annular laser spot, however, uses a specially designed optical path to evenly distribute energy in O-ring shape, avoiding direct hitting of the pin center. Instead, it focuses on the surrounding pad and pin area, resulting in a more stable, uniform, and controlled molten pool. This significantly reduces the risk of bottom pad damage and improves both solder joint reliability and process consistency. When soldering highly reflective materials, such as gold-plated pins, conventional circular spots are prone to laser beam reflection. This can cause the beam to stray and damage the green solder mask around the pad, leading to blistering, discoloration, or burns. With annular laser spots, the beam no longer directly hits the reflective pin surface. Instead, it hits indirectly from the sides. This greatly reduces laser reflection and the chance of peripheral damage. It's especially suitable for automotive electronics, communication modules, and other high-specification applications. In this segment, we present a side-by-side comparison of through-hole soldering using both spot types. The annular spot yields more evenly wetted solder joints with bright, clean surfaces. In contrast, the circular spot can lead to overheated edges and poor solder volume control. This advanced process is already widely adopted in sensing electronics, automotive sensors, and industrial control boards, combined with features like intelligent solder feeding, temperature feedback, and multi-axis automation. Annular laser soldering offers new levels of efficiency and quality in electronic assembly. Thank you for watching. To learn more about this technology or to request a custom demo, please contact Ray Costech. We provide professional, efficient, and reliable turnkey laser soldering solutions for your production needs.